Hey everyone, this is Divya from Taboo Foodies. Today we are going to make some protein pancakes. These pancakes are wholesome, delicious and easy to make. The best thing is they are made with all healthy ingredients like oats, yogurt and protein-packed paneer, which is why they are rich in fiber and protein. And if you are looking to include more protein in your breakfast, these pancakes are a perfect, healthy and yummy treat to start the day. So if you are new to the channel, make sure to like, share and subscribe and let's get started. So first we'll make oat flour for the pancakes. Into a blender, we'll add some oats and grind them in a fine powder. The oat flour is ready, and now we'll add some paneer in a food processor or in a blender and blend it really well till it turns smooth and creamy. Transfer this creamy paneer in a bowl. Add in some yogurt, 2 eggs, half teaspoon vanilla extract or essence, and give it a good mix. Now add in 1 cup oat flour that we had prepared earlier. Add in some baking powder, baking soda, and as a sweetener, 2 tablespoons stevia or any other refined sugar alternative of your choice. Continue whisking till everything is nicely combined. Now add in some milk and give it a good mix one more time. The pancake batter is ready. Now we'll heat up a pan on low to medium heat. Pour about 2 tablespoons batter for each pancake. Add in just a little bit oil and cook for around 2 minutes till the pancakes turn golden brown. Flip them and cook the other side as well. Transfer them in a plate and make more pancakes using the remaining batter. You get total 12 pancakes with this batter and each pancake contains around 6 grams of protein. Top it up with some fruits of your choice, drizzle some maple syrup if you like, and enjoy these protein-packed fluffy pancakes in your breakfast. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. So if you like such healthy and tasty recipes, keep watching Taboo Foodies. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon. Happy eating and I'll see you next time.